Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 something went wrong and your PIN isn't available code 0x80280101. Login with Windows password. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Run commands one by one. Restart system. Login with Windows password. Set up new PIN. Log out and log in with new PIN. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.